Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much. Because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. Never assume that someone likes you by their sweetness, because sometimes you are just an option when they are bored. Enjoy the little things in life, for one day you may look back and realize they were the big things. Behavior is sometimes greater than knowledge, because in life there are many situations where knowledge pales, but behavior can handle everything. Everything happens for a reason. That reason causes change. Sometimes it hurts, sometimes it's hard, but in the end, it's all for the best. Never tell anyone your plans. Show them your results instead. Discussions are always better than arguments, because an argument is to find out who is right, and a discussion is to find what is right. When life is difficult and when everything turns bad, always remember that even a tortoise can finish a race as long as he never gives up. Be silent in two situations. When you feel one cannot understand your feelings from words. When one can understand without any words. Don't give up. The beginning is always the hardest.